The Air Force One was the first basketball shoe to use Nike Air technology when it debuted in 1982. You're never going to be comfortable in sneakers until you try Adidas Boost. They feel so good because the technology returns energy and support to your feet. Converse doesn't want you to know that they went bankrupt, and then Nike saved them in 2003. In 1984, Michael Jordan wanted to sign with Adidas, not Nike? Can you imagine? I think most people would agree. Reebok is a pretty cool sneaker name. But did you know that it was actually named after an African gazelle? Everyone loves waking up on Saturday mornings to buy their next pair of Jordans. But did you know that Nike changed release dates to Saturday so kids would stop skipping school to get them? Nike wanted to sign Shaq, but Shaq didn't like Nike. When he went to the meeting, he dressed from head to toe in Reebok apparel. What would you have done if you were Nike? By the time this video is over, Nike will have made $12,000. I know it's crazy, but Nike makes $1,000 a second, $4 million an hour, and $100 million every day. Hit the like button if you think that number is crazy.